Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to draw a straight dash line in Photoshop. First of all, open your Photoshop program, then create a new file, create a new layer. Use pen tool, right click on your mouse, select the pen tool, click shape and select dash line color, white or black as you wish. I use the white color. Fill color. Do not use fill. Stroke. Select white color and find this dash line. Now see this dash line, I automatically click this dash line size, increase the size. Then click anywhere, hold shift or draw straight. Again, again create a new layer or press anywhere, click, then hold shift, click. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.